Water in lakes, rivers, streams, and swamps often contains impurities that make it look and smell bad. The water can also contain bacteria and other microbiological organisms that can cause sickness and disease. So water from most surface water sources must be cleaned before it can be consumed. Water treatment plants typically clean water by taking it through the following process. 1. Aeration. 2. Coagulation. 3. Sedimentation. 4. Filtration. And 5. Disinfection. This activity will take you through the first 4 steps above. To properly disinfect water, harsh chemicals are used. We will not use any disinfectants in this activity, so our finished water cannot be safely consumed. Here's what you'll need. 2 liters of swamp water. You might find some standing water outside your home that has started to turn green, or just add 1 cup of dirt to your 2 liters of water. 1 2-liter plastic soft drink bottle with its cap, or cork that fits tightly into the neck. 2 2-liter plastic soft drink bottles, 1 with its bottom cut off and 1 with the top cut off. 1 large beaker or measuring bowl that will hold the inverted 2-liter bottle, or you can use another 2-liter plastic soft drink bottle with its top cut off so the other bottle will fit inside of it. 2 tablespoons of alum, potassium aluminum sulfate available in the spice aisle at grocery stores. 1½ cups of fine sand, white play sand or beach sand. 1½ cups of coarse sand, multi-purpose sand. 1 cup of small pebbles. Washed natural color aquarium rocks work best. 1 coffee filter. 1 rubber band. 1 tablespoon for the alum. 1 large spoon for stirring. A clock with a second hand or a stopwatch. Let's begin to build our treatment system. Number 1. Pour your swamp water into the 2-liter bottle with cap. Notice how the water looks and smells. Would you want to drink it? Number 2. Aeration. The first step in the treatment process adds air to water. It allows gases trapped in the water to escape and adds oxygen to the water. Place the cap on the bottle and vigorously shake the bottle for 30 seconds. Continue the aeration process by pouring the water into another bottle or the beaker, then pouring the water back and forth between them about 10 times. Once aerated, gases have escaped. Bubbles should be gone. Pour your aerated water into your bottle with its top cut off. Number 3. Coagulation is the process which allows dirt and other suspended solid particles to chemically stick together into flock, clumps of alum and sediment, so they can easily be removed from water. Add 2 tablespoons of alum to the aerated water. Slowly stir the mixture for 5 minutes. You will see particles in the water clinging together to make larger clumps. This makes it harder for them to get through a filter at the plant. Number 4. Sedimentation is the process that occurs when gravity pulls the particles of flock to the bottom of the cylinder. Allow the water to stand undisturbed in the cylinder. Observe the water at 5-minute intervals for a total of 20 minutes. Write down what you see. What is the appearance of the water now? At a treatment plant, there are settling beds that collect flock that floats to the bottom, allowing the clear water to be drained from the top of the bed and continue through the process. Number 5. Construct a filter from the bottle with its bottom cut off as follows. Attach the coffee filter to the outside neck of the bottle with a rubber band, completely covering the hole in the top of the bottle. Turn the bottle upside down and place it in your beaker or other 2-liter bottle with the top cut off. Pour the pebbles into the bottle. Pour the coarse sand on top of the pebbles. Pour the fine sand on top of the coarse sand. Clean the filter by slowly and carefully pouring through about 2 liters of clean tap water. Try not to disturb the top layer of sand as you pour the water. Number 6. Filtration through a sand and pebble filter removes most of the impurities in the water. Take your swamp water and carefully pour the top 2/3 of the water through the filter. The sediment on the bottom of your swamp water bottle should remain just as it would in a settling bed. Once the filter has stopped dripping, compare the finished water with the swamp water. What are the differences? Is it clearer? Does it still smell? The last step in a treatment process is disinfection to purify the water and kill any organisms that may have made it through the treatment process. Because disinfectants are dangerous and must be handled carefully, we do not recommend this step. The water you just filtered is unsafe to drink. You may want to visit your local water utility to see this process on a large scale. Each water utility system must decide, given the source water they must use, the best treatment process for them.